Hi, welcome to Cloudminister Technologies. If you want to know your ticket replies and progress report, then please watch the full tutorial. Checking the status of your old and recent tickets in the client area of Cloudminister is simple. Please visit our website at cloudminister.com. Go to our website's login section. Log into the Cloudminister Technologies client area. From my dashboard, you can either click on tickets or, on the left, click the support option and select tickets. As you can see, my support tickets page will open. You can now view the status of each ticket in the status column. That's how you can check the ticket replies and progress report from your Cloudminister's client area account. In call support, you can contact the Cloudminister Technologies team at 01414924265 for assistance. Thanks for watching full tutorial. If you found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see upcoming videos like this.